Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account on the device you want to sync. Grant Photos permission to access storage and camera so uploads work. Open Google Photos, go straight to Settings, then Backup and Sync, and turn it on. Choose upload size and whether to use cellular data. Once done, confirm the account listed is the one you want to sync, and make sure battery saver is off so the initial backup can run without interruptions. Once backup is enabled, you control what actually uploads. Open Backup and Sync, tap Backup Device folders and toggle folders like Camera or Screenshots so only chosen folders sync. Make sure you pick high-quality versus original depending on your storage quota. Original uses Google Storage. Also, review settings to exclude videos or large files if you need to save mobile data. After adjusting, force a sync by connecting to finish, open Google Photos and confirm your recent photos appear. You can also check photos. Google.com to ensure full sync. If items don't show, try toggling backup and sync off and on, or sign out and sign back in to retrigger the service. If problems persist, make sure the app has storage and background permissions, your Google account has available storage space, and your internet is stable. If a single file fails, clear app cache or restart the device. This often resolves stuck uploads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.